What's up? What's up? Good morning. It's Friday morning. Coming to you from the gym, aka my garage. I always end up here actually in the morning. So before I get it going, I had some thoughts again for you guys today. Yesterday I was driving in the car with my wife, and I just had a thought. Like, you know how you have these random thoughts, they just kind of hit you. And when they hit me now, what I do is I'll take out my phone and then I'll hit the voice recording thing, and I'll document what I want to talk about, because it was a thought that I wanted to express. And I started thinking about it in my head as I'm driving. Whenever I'm driving, I'm always like thinking about random things. So I was thinking about this thought, and it occurred to me that, you know what, a lot of people don't actually do these things. They allow ideas to stay put inside their head, and they never get it out. And so the idea that I had was, and the phrase that came to my mind was, the mind is a dark place where ideas get lost. Something to that effect. It's just like you have these great ideas inside of you, and you never share them. You don't write them down, you just leave them there. And you don't know how great these ideas can be. Like, there are some people that have stuff in their head. I've had some amazing ideas that I've seen later on come to light in terms of somebody else creating it. And it's because I had the idea and it was just stuck there in my head. Never used it, never acted on it, never wrote it down. You guys, whatever idea you have in your head, like, get it out. Thoughts you have, get it out. That's why I think journaling is so powerful, because when you journal, you're literally writing stuff out that's in your head. And as you're thinking of those things in writing, new thoughts are coming. New things are coming. And you write those things down too. And they just build upon each other. And before you know it, you have this amazing, set of information that you wouldn't have had outside of your head. You probably would have forgot. Maybe within the next day or a couple of days, you would have forgot it. It would have been gone out of your mind forever. Maybe to be remembered later on, but not as significant as it was as the moment that you thought about it. So, again, I'm reading this book called The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. Amazing, amazing book. I recommend that you guys get it and check it out. I'm actually going to put it in the comments or the description below so you can get it on Amazon. It's awesome. I don't get any affiliate thing or anything. It's just, I think it's a great book, and I think you guys should read it. And within it, he says something that really struck me. He said, I believe everyone has a book within them. And so when he said that, I just started thinking to myself, like, what does he mean, a book within him? Like, something you can write about. What kind of book do I have in me? That's what I started thinking, like, what kind of book do I have in me? And then all of a sudden it hit me. I was like, man, I got some stuff in my head that if I put out on a page and took the time to, sequentially put it in order, break it down, find a way to make it work from the premise of what I want to talk about to the conclusion, like, it's a powerful message within it of the things that I had to go through to get to where I'm at now in this short period of time in my life. I do have a book in me. And so I've been thinking lately, you know what? Again, it's spurred in the whole idea of get the thoughts out of your head and get them down on a paper. I started thinking, you know what? I'm going to start getting those information, start putting them together slowly. The chronological events that happened to me in these last, let's say, since 2006 to now. So we're talking about 10 years. 10 years to have a dramatic, drastic change in your life, of a sequence of events that knocked off one after the other, after the other, after the other. A lot of these things that we've been going through and been working through, they're private to us. We don't really share those things with other people, but it's a book. And as I draw to the conclusion of what those things are, I think it's about time that I put those out there and I create this story and I create this book. Everyone has a book within them, as Mr. Elrod said, and I believe that that's the truth. So I'm going to get my book out of me, but I'm going to do it slowly. There's no rush. And it's good because the journaling and these videos help me explore those thoughts and get information out so that I can go and look back and see exactly what it was that I put out. So the thought for today, guys, it's Friday. This is my work day. I work at home, network marketer. This is what I do for a living. I'm an Herbalife coach. And I have a lot of things that are going on throughout the weekend, but they're all fun stuff. And they're all working events as well. So I mix the two together. But the thought that I wanted to have for you guys today is whatever thoughts you have in your mind, whatever ideas you have, get them out. Write them on paper, write them down. Like, explore those things. What are they? What kind of thoughts are they? Why am I thinking them? What are they leading to what other things can they lead to? Like, just get them out of your head. Sit down, take a moment from whatever it is you're doing in your regular life, and then just sit down and just write. Whether you're writing it with your hand or on a computer. I write personally on a computer because I write like a 4-year-old. And if I wrote it, I literally wouldn't be able to understand what it was I wrote. I've been getting progressively worse through my writing throughout my life, which is terrible. I'm not a great example for a great penmanship. But I do daily journal digitally. So I use a program called Day One, and it's awesome. I use it on my Macintosh. It's like $17 or something like that. Super easy. I'm able to journal everything I want, to write stuff down, to put my thoughts down, to add pictures, to add where I'm at in locations. It's really, really amazing. And it's a great way for me to get my thoughts out of my head onto the paper so I can share the ideas and information that I have. So that was the thought of the day, guys. Just wanted to have that. Hopefully you got something out of it. If you did, great. If you didn't, no problem. You can come back tomorrow or not come back at all. Totally up to you. But like I said, this channel here is just for me to just randomly. This isn't like scripted or edited. It's just me rolling thoughts off my head, what I was thinking about, what I wanted to talk about, putting it online and seeing if anybody can get anything from it. So again, if you like what you saw, subscribe down below. Just hit that button, and or you can leave a comment. Tell me, hey Jess, your rants suck, or hey, I really found that insightful, or whatever it was. Whatever it is you want to say, just be respectful. You know, we're on here to be respectful with each other in general. So go ahead, subscribe to that, share it if you liked it, and we will see you guys tomorrow. So have a great day.